binibini at Ginoo ang kalalapag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Mangyari po lamang ng manatiling nakaupo at nakabit ang seatbelts. Huwag muna tumayo at baka kayong masaktan sa biglang paghinto ng eroplano. Ang inyong mga gamit sa stowage bins ay maaari lamang kunin kapag ang eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto at nabigyan na kayo ng pahintulot na bumaba. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Welcome to Manila. The local time is 14 minutes past the hour of 7 in the evening, 10th day of February 2013. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Refrain from standing as a sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and you have been given permission to disembark. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution when retrieving your carry-on baggage from the overhead bins. The items may have shifted during the flight and may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. On behalf of Captain Nap Concepcion and First Officer Dino Dinopol and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Asia's first, shining through. For your information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions on our website www.philippineairlines.com. Mabuhay at maraming salamat. For passengers with connecting flights or ground personnel with transfer desk located at the arrival area will be happy to assist you. For passengers who requested special assistance, please display last for proper endorsement for your cabin crew to our ground staff. Sa ngalan sa Philippine Airlines, tagang salamat sa inyong pagsakay, ubad ka namo. Kami nagkinaw na magkita-kita patag-usap sa umabot pa ninyo ng mga pagbiyahe. Tagang salamat. Philippine Airlines wishes you and your loved ones Konghae Fanchoy. Thank you for flying with Philippine Airlines throughout these years.